Hey guys, today I wanted to show you these pens that I just received. So these are gel ink pens and they have super nice colors. I'm going to show you how they write, the colors inside, and the quality. So let's go ahead and open it. So this is what comes inside the box. So it looks like we have a pink, like a beige, and then two grays, a green, and a blue. So I know if you're in school, if you're working, or you just need anything to write with, these would look super nice also just to have on top of a desk because they are really nice. They're not like your normal pens that you buy. These are way more cuter. They have a gold rim around them and they're like this matte. They're super soft. These are the ends and all you do is you go like this and you're just gonna take that off and you're ready to write. So if you're looking for any new pens that are not only super comfortable to hold, they look adorable, and they write super nicely, then I would definitely recommend trying these.